This video is a visualization of a deep neural network, DNN, specifically in the context of the manufacturing sector. It's attributed to Pradeep K. Suri, an author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. Here's a breakdown of what the image shows. Title: Full Display Canvas, Deep Neural Network, DNN, Manufacturing Sector. This tells us the subject and the creator. Network architecture: the image depicts a feed-forward neural network with multiple layers. Input layer, left, green nodes. This is the first layer where the raw data from the manufacturing process would be fed into the network. Each green node represents a feature or variable being input, example sensor readings, machine parameters, material properties. Hidden layers, middle, cyan nodes. These are the intermediate layers where the network performs complex computations to learn patterns and relationships within the input data. The image shows multiple hidden layers, labeled Hidden Layer 1 to Hidden Layer 12 at the top, although the labels are somewhat obscured by the nodes. Each cyan node represents a neuron that processes the information from the previous layer and passes it on to the next. The connections between the input layer and the first hidden layer, and between subsequent hidden layers, are shown by white lines, indicating that each neuron in one layer is connected to many, if not all, neurons in the next layer. Output layer, right, magenta nodes. This is the final layer of the network, where the results or predictions are produced. Each magenta node represents an output variable or a classification, example predicted machine failure, product quality classification, optimized process parameters. The white lines connect the last hidden layer to the output layer. Connectivity: the white lines illustrate the connections between the neurons in adjacent layers. This shows that the network is fully connected, or at least has a high degree of connectivity between layers. Abstraction: the image visually represents the flow of information through the DNN. The input data goes through multiple transformations in the hidden layers, allowing the network to learn complex, hierarchical features that are then used to generate the desired output. The depth of the network, the number of hidden layers, allows it to model intricate relationships. Manufacturing context: while the architecture itself is generic to DNNs, the title specifies its application in the manufacturing sector. This implies that the input features and the output predictions would be relevant to manufacturing processes, such as input, sensor data from machinery, temperature, pressure, vibration, process parameters, speed, feed rate, material composition, environmental conditions. Output, predictions of equipment failure, quality defects, optimal settings for production, energy consumption forecasts, etc. In summary, the image is a visual representation of a deep neural network architecture with 12 hidden layers, designed for applications within the manufacturing sector. It shows the flow of data from the input layer through multiple processing layers to the final output layer. Based on the deep neural network, DNN, visualized for the manufacturing sector, we can generate a variety of reports and graphs tailored to the needs of top management, middle management, and operational levels. The specific reports and graphs will depend on the exact nature of the input data and the output predictions of this DNN. However, we can outline potential examples based on common applications of DNNs in manufacturing. Assumptions about DNN's purpose. Let's assume this DNN is trained to address one or more of the following common manufacturing challenges: predictive maintenance, predicting equipment failures; quality control, identifying defects in manufactured products; process optimization, optimizing manufacturing parameters for efficiency or quality; demand forecasting, predicting future product demand; supply chain optimization, optimizing inventory levels or logistics. Here's a breakdown of potential reports and graphs for each management level. Top management, strategic level, CXOs, plant managers, VPS of operations. Focus, overall plant performance, strategic decision-making, cost reduction, risk management, and long-term planning. Potential reports. Overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, forecast, predicting future OEE based on predicted equipment downtime, from predictive maintenance. Cost savings from predictive maintenance, report detailing the estimated cost savings achieved by preventing failures. Product defect rate trends, showing the trend of defect rates over time, highlighting the impact of process changes or DNN-driven quality control. Production output forecast versus actual, comparing predicted production output, potentially optimized by the DNN, with actual output. Supply chain disruption risk assessment, identifying potential risks in the supply chain based on predicted demand fluctuations or supplier performance, if the DNN analyzes this data. Return on investment, ROI, of AI/ML implementation, analyzing the financial benefits of deploying DNN. Energy consumption optimization report, if the DNN optimizes energy usage, this report would show savings. Key performance indicator, KPI, summary dashboard, a high-level overview of critical manufacturing KPIs influenced by the DNN's predictions, example uptime, defect rate, production cost. Potential graphs. Line charts, trends of OEE, defect rates, production output, energy consumption over time. Bar charts, comparison of predicted versus actual KPIs, cost savings by category, ROI analysis. Pie charts, breakdown of downtime by equipment, distribution of defect types. Forecast charts, visualizations of predicted future trends for key metrics. To middle management, tactical level, production managers, quality control managers, maintenance managers, supply chain managers. Focus, departmental performance, process monitoring, resource allocation, and implementing strategies based on DNN's insights. Potential reports. Machine downtime prediction report, detailed list of machines predicted to fail and the estimated time to failure, from predictive maintenance. Root cause analysis of predicted defects, if the DNN identifies defect patterns, a report on potential root causes. Optimized parameter settings for production lines, recommended settings for machinery to improve quality or efficiency, from process optimization. Inventory level optimization recommendations, suggested inventory levels based on demand forecasts, from demand forecasting/supply chain optimization. Supplier performance analysis based on predicted delays, if the DNN analyzes supply chain data. Performance monitoring of AI-driven systems, tracking the accuracy and effectiveness of the DNN's predictions. Alert logs and actions taken, records of predicted failures or quality issues and the corresponding actions taken. Potential graphs. Time series plots, predicted versus actual machine parameters, defect occurrences over time, inventory levels. Histograms, distribution of predicted failure times, defect severity. Control charts, monitoring process parameters against predicted optimal ranges. Gantt charts, scheduling maintenance based on predicted failures. 3 Operational level, execution level, machine operators, quality inspectors, maintenance technicians, logistics coordinators. Focus, day-to-day tasks, real-time monitoring, and acting on the DNN's immediate outputs. Potential outputs, often integrated directly into operational systems rather than formal reports. Real-time alerts for potential machine failures, notifications sent to maintenance teams. Visual indicators of product quality issues, highlighting potentially defective products on the production line. Recommended adjustments to machine settings, real-time guidance for operators to optimize processes. Optimal inventory picking lists, for warehouse staff based on demand predictions. Route optimization suggestions for logistics, if the DNN is involved in supply chain. Potential visualizations, often integrated into HMIs or dashboards on the shop floor. Gauge charts, showing current machine health status based on predicted failure risk. Color-coded indicators, highlighting machines needing attention or products with potential defects. Simple trend lines, showing recent deviations in key process parameters. Interactive dashboards, displaying real-time status of equipment, quality metrics, and production flow. Key considerations. Data availability and quality, the richness and accuracy of the generated reports and graphs heavily depend on the data fed into the DNN. DNN interpretability, understanding why DNN makes certain predictions is crucial for trust and actionability, especially at the management levels. Techniques like explainable AI, XAI, can be valuable. Integration with existing systems, seamless integration of the DNN's outputs with existing manufacturing execution systems, MES, enterprise resource planning, ERP, and other operational tools is essential for effective use. Customization, the specific reports and graphs need to be tailored to the specific needs and KPIs of the manufacturing organization. In conclusion, the DNN visualized for the manufacturing sector has the potential to generate a wide array of valuable insights. By carefully defining the DNN's objectives and the data it processes, organizations can create targeted reports and visualizations that empower decision-making at all levels of management, ultimately leading to improved efficiency, reduced costs, and enhanced product quality. Sample graph from MTBF, Mean Time Between Failures. The image titled Predictive Maintenance Analysis with Forecast, Model by Pradeep K. Suri is a comprehensive time series chart that compares actual and forecasted machine failures alongside MTBF, Mean Time Between Failures, across the years 2024 to 2026. Here's a detailed explanation. 1 Chart Overview. Theme, Dark background for better contrast and visibility. Title, indicates the chart is the output of a predictive maintenance model built by Pradeep K. Suri. X-axis, date ranges from January 2024 to December 2026, showing monthly intervals. Y-axis left, failures represents the number of machine/component failures per month. Y-axis right, MTBF shows mean time between failures, indicating reliability, measured in hours/days depending on the domain. 2 Legends and color codes. Bar graph, failures. Blue circle predicted failures 2024, light blue bars, early months. Red square actual failures 2024, red bars, overlaying predicted bars. Large blue diamond predicted failures 2025, medium blue bars. Large blue diamond predicted failures 2026, lightest blue bars, highest span into future. Line graph, MTBF. Yellow circle MTBF 2024, yellow line with circular markers, high fluctuations. Yellow circle MTBF 2025, continuation in the same yellow line style. Yellow circle MTBF 2026, also yellow line, consistent format, potentially differentiated by tooltip or internal data. 3 Data insights. White heavy checkmark 2024, historical data. Both predicted and actual failures are shown. There's some deviation between predicted and actual failures, indicating the model's accuracy can be assessed. MTBF 2024 shows high variability month to month, possibly indicating erratic reliability issues. White heavy checkmark 2025, forecast. Only predicted failure values are shown, medium blue bars. MTBF 2025 line is plotted, shows a downward trend overall, suggesting slightly deteriorating reliability. White heavy checkmark 2026, forecast. Continuation of the predictions. Failures are projected to increase slightly, as seen by taller bars. MTBF 2026 remains volatile but has a lower overall average than in 2024 or 2025, indicating reduced reliability over time. 4 Interpretation of MTBF. MTBF trends inversely correlate with failure counts. High MTBF rightward arrow, fewer failures. Low MTBF rightward arrow, more frequent failures. MTBF declining through 2025 and 2026 suggests the system's reliability is expected to degrade unless maintenance or improvements are made. 5 Purpose of the chart. This chart is ideal for maintenance engineers to schedule preventive actions, management to assess cost impact of future downtime, reliability analysts to study degradation trends and plan upgrades. To support the management decision support system, DSS, using the above predictive maintenance analysis, we can derive actionable insights and strategies based on failure forecasts and MTBF, mean time between failures, trends. Magnifying glass tilted left, DSS report for management, predictive maintenance forecast, 2024 to 2026. Prepared by Pradeep K. Suri. Focus areas, failures forecast, reliability, MTBF, Maintenance Planning and Risk Mitigation. White heavy checkmark 1. Executive Summary. The model forecasts an increasing trend in equipment failures from 2025 to 2026. MTBF is declining, indicating a reduction in asset reliability over time. The system requires proactive maintenance planning, especially in late 2025 and 2026, to prevent unplanned downtimes and productivity losses. Bar chart 2. Key observations. Year trend in failures. MTBF trend risk level recommendation. 2024 actual and predicted data mostly align. Highly variable MTBF medium monitor accuracy of predictions. 2025 failures slightly increasing. MTBF declining gradually. High strengthen preventive maintenance. 2026 failures increase significantly. MTBF at lowest critical plan overhaul or replacements. Gear 3. Maintenance strategy recommendations. Strategy action items. Timeline. Preventive maintenance optimization. Increase frequency in Q3, Q4 2025 based on predicted failures. Start Q2 2025. Spare parts inventory buffer. Maintain high stock of critical spares Q1 2025 onward. Condition monitoring implementation. Install IoT sensors for real-time monitoring FI 2025. Reliability centered maintenance, RCM, identify and target high failure components FI 2024. Asset retirement/upgrade plan. Evaluate aging assets for 2026 Q3 2025. Chart decreasing 4. Financial impact forecast. Increased failures equals increased downtime plus higher repair cost. Use MTBF and failure data to budget maintenance costs, compare repair versus replace economics. Avoid reactive maintenance, which is typically 3-5 times more costly than planned maintenance. Counterclockwise arrows. Button 5. Actionable DSS outputs. Monthly maintenance calendar based on peak predicted failure periods. MTBF thresholds to trigger automated alerts. KPI dashboards for tracking. MTBF versus target. Failure counts versus SLA. Maintenance cost versus budget. Pushpin 6. Risk mitigation plan. Set MTBF warning level, example 150 hours, to trigger escalations. Implement AI anomaly detection to flag early signs of failure. Engage in vendor audits for quality and warranty claims for recurring failures. Chart increasing 7. Visual DSS enhancements. You can integrate interactive dashboards, Power BI/Python-/Tableau. Monthly failure heat maps. Dynamic filtering by machine type, location, or cost center. Thank you.